guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick, easy, and super delicious chicken enchilada casserole. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by lightly frying our corn tortillas. Here I already have my oil nice and hot. Just going to be frying for 5 seconds or until they blister. So just like that. And depending on how many layers you want to make your casserole, then it depends on how many tortillas you're going to fry. I'm frying 12 tortillas. Once we have our corn tortillas, we can now make our enchilada sauce. For our enchilada sauce mixture, we're going to be mixing 1 can of cream of mushroom, or you can use cream of chicken. Going to be adding our diced green chiles, our sour cream, our enchilada sauce, salt, and black pepper. Just going to give it a good mix. Okay, here you could taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. So once we have that, now we can get ready to put our casserole together. We're going to begin by spreading our enchilada sauce mixture into our baking dish. Just make sure that it's nice and even. Now grab your tortillas and make it into a layer. And I cut some of my tortillas like that they fit, covering the baking dish. Going to add my rotisserie chicken, add some cheese, add another layer of tortilla, spread some enchilada sauce mixture, and you're just going to repeat the layers until you no longer have any more tortillas. On my last layer, I'm just going to top it with some cheese. So now we're going to bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, so once we get it out of the oven, we're going to allow it to rest for a few minutes and then we can get ready for the fun part. Okay guys, and after a few minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. I'm going to be garnishing with some cilantro. Okay, and I'm going to cut right into it and get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super fast, easy, and very delicious. I promise you everyone's going to love it, especially if you like enchiladas like myself, then you're definitely don't want to miss this one. It's so good. You just open your cans, mix it together, put it together. The hardest part is just waiting, but trust me, it's so worth it. It's so delicious, so creamy. And I am ready. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good, so creamy. And of course, depending on your enchilada sauce, then it depends on how spicy it's gonna be. But this is so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious green chicken enchilada casserole. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.